look at some Leonardo AI. Let's take a look here, see what I've done. My prompt was an ocean rocky shoreline splashing sparkling waves, blue skies, and sun rays. This is what I came up with this morning for that one. And I could increase the size if I wanted to. That particular size, let's see if we can pick that up here, was a 1072 by 1928. Did another one earlier, but I didn't put the motion on it yet. That came out pretty nice. That's the one I used the motion on. And I wanted to place motion on this one. Let's go back and generate motion. That's selected from the recent images, and I got the motion strength at 5. We'll keep it there. We're on private mode because I'm paying for a monthly charge on this, and I have 3,703 credits left. And we'll let that work up over here. We'll come on down and see what else I did. I did a motion with a waterfall. That came out pretty nice, I feel, this morning. Excellent work. That particular size, that was from Leonardo Lighting XL. Did this one as well. That's looking good for a motion. Excellent. I'm quite impressed this morning. The motion seems to be working great. Here's the other one that was just generated. Look at this. This is beautiful. I'm very impressed how this came out. Let's see what we can do over here. Let's improve the prompt by clicking over here. Let's see what happens. Up over here, I have a number of images. Okay. Let's generate 2 of these. And I believe we're still in private mode. Private mode comes when you actually pay for it. And we'll see what that generate will be 18 credits. Let's let it run. Let's try 4 of them this time. That'll bring me up to 29 credits. Let's let it go. Let's see what happens here. We'll scroll down to some different things that I've seen that I've done earlier, the past few days, a little more previous generations. There's some different things I did a couple of days ago. I tried a birthday scene. We're raking the lawn. This came out to be a pretty good video as well. Here's some other clips. Some ships. Some balloons. This one came out rather nice. Pretty darn good. Looks good. You can make these in different sizes. You can do them for your phone. Good. These are related videos that others did. Let's go back up to see what came out here. Open these up a little wider here. That's a nice scene right there. Oh, wow. Excellent. Geez, I like this one. Let's generate a motion there. I could upgrade this if I prefer. Do that. I think these photos look pretty darn nice. You can always pick these if you want, but I'm not going to. Bring this back down to 2. We did that in Leonardo XL. Let's see what we can do here. I can upscale the image if I prefer. Do that. That would cost me 33 credits. I won't do it that way. I can always change the size myself. That is awesome. That's beautiful. I like that.